Welcome to Term 5 at Post University. I'm your instructor, Professor Shannon Wright, and welcome to our course, College Success Seminar. I'm pleased that you have joined us this term and look forward to getting to know each of you better over the coming 8 weeks. This course, College Success Seminar, is designed to give you the skills and strategies that you need to become a successful college student. Each week, we're going to discuss different topics ranging from financial literacy to your learning style to time management, and I know that you're going to learn so much about yourself in the process. My biggest piece of advice as you get started is to practice effective time management strategies from the start of the course. You should plan to spend 30 minutes to 1 hour each day on your reading, your interactive exercises, and the other assignments for each unit. I am always here to answer questions and support you along the way. And I'll be also posting announcements on the announcements portions of our course page on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And those announcements will be emailed out to you. If you have any questions along the way, you can go to the Ask the Instructor forum within our course, or you can also email me or text me at my phone number under the Meet the Instructor section. Let's make it a fantastic week of learning together.